To this magnificent, prosperous live stream. We are going to start in just a few minutes. We'll wait for more of you guys to tune in. And the agenda, as always, pump.fun coins, DEX Career coins. And we're going to be looking for some place to enter for you guys. And of course, always do your own research. That of course is always the case. It's not financial advice. But yeah, we always do find some nice coins with good entries, and those are all from my previous live stream, which you can see right here. And we're going to go over them shortly because they were really, they performed really well. We did found this coin Honey, at 20k dollars in market cap, and during this stream, it literally went to 600k dollars in market cap. It's now completely dead, but yeah, we always do find some nice coins. So stay around, guys, and welcome if you're already here. I'll take just a few minutes to set everything up. And of course, it's informational and educational content, most importantly. That's the main point of this live stream and of my videos as well. I should post a video like tomorrow. I think I'm going to, because I haven't posted in a few days. So I'm going to pin my live chat classic message, the free course, the Discord community, and the Telegram course channel. Those are completely free, made for you guys, and you're welcome to join if you already haven't. Welcome Bob Fischer. Welcome Mark, welcome everyone. So I've just pasted the links in the live chat, and they're also available in the description, under the description of this live stream. Now let's shout out our stream to the community on Telegram before we start. And yesterday's stream was really nice. Like, it was extremely exciting, extremely enjoyable. We found such cool coins. It was really fun. It was really fun. So if you haven't seen it, it's rewatchable. All of those live streams go to public after they have actually been live. So yeah, we're live, paste the link. Perfect. We should have more people joining anytime soon. And let's now start looking at our coins. I'm going to start from this one because someone actually showed this coin to us yesterday on the live stream at like 10k dollars in market cap. And this after I ended the live stream, like just recently. It should be today, wait, 19th of June. So it was quite some time ago. After the live stream, that's for sure. This coin actually hit radio. So this is very interesting. It hit like 60k dollars in market cap. It of course went down right away. That's how it is with radium coins. But someone showed this at 10k dollars in market cap. So it was a really nice coin right at the bottom. Like, this was literally the floor at about 10k. So if you caught this, then congratulations, guys, because the coin did have a great meme, Call of Doggy, and of course the dogs and cats right now are absolutely like the meta. Like, all you can see on pump.fun and Dex Screener are exactly cats and dogs. So the meta is resurrected, and yeah, that is what we're going to look for. Going to close that coin. Now, honey, I'll quickly cover this again. We saw this at 20k. This went to 600k. And what's beautiful about this coin is, take a look at this downtrend right here. Like, you could just have drawn this trend line once you saw this lower high, and each time it bounced back from this trend line and it used it as a resistance. So clearly this coin was completely downtrending, completely bearish. And yeah, exactly following our trend line right here. That's, I think, something really fascinating. It goes to show that this TA, trend line, support and resistance, and of course the Fibonacci, all of those tools completely work and extremely well. And this one was a nice trade, so yeah. If you guys caught it, big congratulations, because it was literally like a 30x. Of course, if you timed your entry perfectly, as well as your exit, which is hard to do, but possible to make 2, 3, 5x, that's for sure, with that particular coin. Now this one, what is fascinating about this is that this actually rejected right from the resistance. We should have the TA back right here to my knowledge. Just has to load up now. Let's take a look whether it's still here. But yeah, this coin was top trending yesterday. And yeah, this coin actually just rejected from this perfect resistance, as you can see here. Right here it made the all-time high, then it kind of broke the resistance for a very short term, and here it perfectly rejected from it. So I just find it very fascinating. So this was obviously very nice coin just to see how it all works. This as well right here. We have this resistance right here. It was acting as support earlier, and then it perfectly rejected from this resistance. This as well is very nice. Of course, we can't short the coins, but it's just that you can use those points as your exits and as your entries. We'll now take a look at some pump.fun coins. You guys can show some in the chat. Make sure to point out whether it's a DEX coin, Radium coin, or a pump.fun coin. And preferably, what is the market cap of the coin, so we can mitigate any possible confusion. And yeah, what we can see here is loads of dogs. This is a coin with a football, might be interesting. So this one first, 17 kilos in market cap, but the volume here is non-existent. I'm going to skip it right away. Welcome Marlon, hope you're doing great as well. Hope you all guys are doing great. Let's take a look at this one, Hold Dizzy Cat. And with the dog meta coming back, cats for some reason also came back. So someone is holding 10% here and 6.7. That is simply too much. We might want to skip this coin right away, because from the bubble map, it doesn't really look attractive at all. It doesn't really look attractive. This coin looks like it's completely dead, but dead coins, what I'm oftentimes looking at, if developer is still holding. If developer is holding, if he's not selling, the coin can resurrect. Now, if the developer sells, then it's another case and the coin is less likely to recover. So in this coin's case, developer is holding. This might be something to look at, because at baseline market caps like 6.3k, at the moment the baseline should be like 4k. There is very little room for error. So for example, if we were to trade this coin, the most we can lose here is like 20 to 30%, but the upside could be quite high if the volume kicks back in. So I'll actually keep this coin open, just because if the volume kicks in, it definitely is a coin to look at. It's a different strategy, but it certainly is promising. It certainly still can be tradable, is what I mean basically. Even though at this moment it's currently dead. But coins oftentimes resurrect. So we have 3 coins now. Let's take a look. This one is at 13k. It is called Blili, so it's a misspelling of Billy. And Billy is very huge at the moment. Like, to my knowledge, it's at 75 million, which is really huge. If we taking into consideration that actually this coin is just a few days old. and it's sitting right at this resistance, as you can see here. It actually perfectly rejected from this previous all-time high from this resistance. And the perfect trade was here, because Billy actually came back down to perfect level of 0.786. This could have been the only perfect dip on Billy, because the coin is bullish like all the way here. It never really quite dips down. It just has very small dips, like 30% maybe, like we can see right here, but it's still buying at a premium, right? So there is no entry at all, unless this breaks through the resistance, and since the resistance can act as the support level, this could for sure be attractive. But I'll close the Billy for now, because we have Billy right here, and it's a good trade, I mean, for sure. People who missed out on Billy, they are looking at this one. There is 5% and 2.5. Someone is trying to hide in different wallets. And there is very small thread section, which I don't really like. Loads of trades though, so can we join the Telegram? Because we can't see the socials from here. And I'm trying to be careful with the links because, and you guys by the way should also be careful with the links, because now I can see loads of scammers in those thread sections who just send completely fake CTO links. Oftentimes when coins are not even having a community takeover. So what you gotta look at is whether actually developer still holds. And if he does, it's a fake CTO, and they're trying to get your information through like this bot on Telegram. There is a fake one which they use, and basically they ask you to log in or scan a QR code, and they will basically get your info. So be careful. Now there are lots of people talking here, but the community is quite small. 50 people, 9 in the voice chat. And in this case, we just have to compare it to the market cap of the coin. What was the market cap? And the market cap is 15K. So for a 15K market cap coin, it's quite average. So it's completely acceptable for it to have 50 members. That's about how it should be when it comes to a 15K market cap coin. Now it's approaching the resistance and support levels. They still work on pump.fun coins, because they do usually have some sort of a structure. For example, right here, this was literally the first candle. In the first minute, this coin pumped just a tiny bit, and this was the all-time high, right? It couldn't break through this level anymore, and then it used this resistance as the support right here. So we saw a perfect buyback right at this support level. So resistance is something we're looking at right now, but this coin is definitely attractive just from the meme, Billy. People who missed out on the dog Billy and the cat Lily don't miss out on this one. And let's actually take a look at Lily, because to my knowledge, this coin also went quite high, like today, as you can see here. Lily is at 5 million, it's literally number one. And it was launched just 7 hours ago. So we have cats coming back as well. Cats and dogs. Caught your stream early today. Welcome Jed, welcome Posty, welcome Glitch Android, Mardon. Happy to have all of you guys here. Let's take a look whether this is following any levels at all. And we can see a perfect bounce right here. From this 0.786 level, quite literally the perfect entry, the perfect dip. This could have been the chance. And this was literally like the only dip as well. So far it's up like almost 2x. And we can see that here previously was the resistance and it came back to this support level. So more or less, not quite that precise, but there is a convergence of this perfect Fibonacci dip level as well as the resistance, which makes the bounce back way more likely as well as way more explosive. So Lily still looks very good. It's completely tradable. It does not have that much structure. Let me take a look at 5-minute candles. But it continues, like higher low would be for sure nice here. But it's not an entry anymore because it's right at this 0.5 level, which is just the average price. This one is at 25k. So it's a bit too late. And what I said, guys, yesterday is very important. It's that the threshold of the radial migration has gotten lower from like 70k to now 55k because Solana's price is completely dumping. I mean, the entire market, BTC, first of all, those established coins are dumping. And this is working in correlation with Solana's price. So right now, like your maximum buy-in, your maximum market cap where you consider joining a coin should definitely go lower. So previously my maximum entry point would have been at 25k, but right now my maximum entry is at 20k because this threshold is now lower. So I'm adjusting my maximum buying point. So at 25k it's just a bit over at 20k. So we're not really looking to enter this, that's for sure. But if it dips, that's why we're going to take a look at this one. There is no website, which is an issue, of course. Paying for decks and socials, this would be nice. This would be nice for sure. There are burns, let's join the group. "61 people in the voice chat, and it doesn't really match the market cap of the coin because the market cap is 25k, but the group has just 60 members. They're active though, and that is what counts. They're active for sure. There are the burns. Burns are nice, but yeah, we're going to wait. We're going to just observe this coin. And of course, we want to see a website. This would be nice. I've seen this one earlier today. It looks like it's a slow moving coin. Slow movers definitely have potential. And the developer is holding. This is very nice. And of course, the rule is that if a developer wants to rug pull, he can sell early. And most developers do. They just sell within the first 5 to 10 minutes. So slow movers are great just for that reason that they have not rugged yet. So they are way less likely to actually rug pull. Let's join the group. Like there is no website, no volume, so it's not really that attractive right now. But we'll take a look at it still. Doesn't really work. Let's try again. Let's try just one more time. But I'm not overly bullish or optimistic about this coin whatsoever. We're just checking this one out for fun. I don't think we should take this coin seriously. I'm actually going to close this coin. Let's take a look at this one. We have Popcat, but PopDog, I'm not sure if this meme has been done before. And this coin just hit radium right now. So this definitely could be exciting. It had very bullish chart right here on like pump.fun before it went to radium, but someone owns 15% here. This is too much to own for sure. Volume looks nice so far. Volume definitely looks nice. Looks like this coin is on an uptrend. Already like 2x because they launch at 55k now. And let's check out the chart. And this chart looks very familiar to the coin we saw yesterday, to Honey, which I'm going to open again very quickly. But the chart looked very identical to Honey's chart. Because Honey didn't really dip down at all. It looked bullish like all the way up. It never dipped down at all. And PopDog so far hasn't had any dips. It's looking very nice, like continuous uptrend, like this diagonal pattern, those small higher lows. It looks very, very bullish. It's in the trend. And I actually want to search, have we seen a PopDog coin before? Because the name is a sender for sure. The name is definitely very, very nice. And looks like it's actually the first of its kind. Literally. And we have Popcat sitting at like 200 million or something. Popcat is one of the main cat coins, so Pop Dog sounds really, really good to me. 260 million Popcat. And as you can see here, yeah, I've done some TA here before. Just looking at what I have here. And we have this fair value gap to my knowledge right here. So Popcat might be interesting as well. But yeah, Pop Dog, we'll keep an eye on this coin. And let's take a look at Honey's chart, because it looked very, very similar. It looked very, very similar right from the start. It first dipped from 200k, so very, very identical. Pop Dog looks definitely very interesting here. Definitely very interesting. We're going to keep an eye on this coin for sure. This one is now back to baseline, and as you can see here, the developer sold, so I'm actually going to close this one now. This one we're just keeping an eye on, not an entry right now. Bread Pepe sounds interesting just from the name. Just from the name as well. Sometimes it's just that the name sounds interesting. And if the name is unique, coins can pump just because of the name. Coins can pump just because of the name. PopDog really has a great name. Like just from the name. Right away you know it can send just because of the name. So let's open just one more coin. This one I've seen earlier today, might look interesting for sure. Let's start with this Bread Pepe. This might be a CTO because someone sold quite early here. Let's see if the developer holds. He does. Clean bubble map. Is there a website? It looks kind of great. I do like this interface for sure. This is nice. There is a banner, and this art looks very nice. I mean, the website, the art right here, and the meme, this all looks very nice. Definitely a promising coin so far. So only 32 people. This is very little, but it has a very low market cap. There is still room to grow, that's for sure. But this coin still is promising regardless. 12 people in the voice chat, this is nice. This is for sure nice, they're doing grades too. This coin, do your own research guys, I do like this coin for sure. There is great volume, it's more or less consistent over time. The chart looks completely healthy, looks very nice here. The meme is great, the art is great. Website is great, bubble maps is completely clean. It's just that the community needs to get bigger. This is the only downside so far. But this coin has bullish signs all over it for sure. Now this one on the other hand just has this downtrend which looks really, really unattractive. Just from the chart, it looks like it's completely dying, and entering right now would be just trading against the momentum. This one looks like it has died, so we might just want to close this one as well. We'll just close it, yeah. 6k market cap is just the baseline. This one I have seen around for quite some days now. It's not really a new coin, but to my knowledge yesterday, this was at 30k. But let's go back to PopDog. This is interesting. So 140k right now. And the volume still looks very, very nice, very abundant. The chart never really dips down, and whenever coins just have this bullish uptrend, they look very good. Sometimes you might to consider riding the wave as well. Not really my strategy, but it's definitely possible. Possible to do if the coin has a really strong meme. This one is at 18k right now. Let's check out the website really quickly. Just refresh the memory. No website. But slow mooners we always like. It's just about the community at this point. Are they active? Are they big? And are they bullish? When it comes to slow mooners, it's all about the community. So we have 300 members right here. This is definitely very, very huge, of course. And it's of course about the team being active too. And as far as I can see, they're definitely active here. So Hellcat might be a potential play. You guys do your own research here. But it's a slow moon going sideways, so definitely interesting. The market cap is attractive too. This coin is Doge and Trump, and it's a great combination really. It's going sideways as well. Market cap is attractive, so we'll take a look at it for sure. We have one link here, but this is acceptable. So loads of memes here. Loads of memes here. This is nice. There is a website, it's average, but it's something for sure. Really large thread section. Really, really large. $180 members is very nice for a 13k market cap coin. Just 7 people in the voice chat, but for a slow mooner this is very, very nice. Developer is active, like right here. He has been active recently. And one of the things I'm looking at now is how many admins does the project have. Because the larger the team, the more seriously the project, the more serious is the project. Because if there is just the developer, he most likely doesn't take the project seriously. Because he needs a big team to help, of course, to manage the socials, to keep the chat from FUD when he sleeps. So yeah, this is a bullish sign to look at. If there are many admins, this is great. If there is just a developer, this is definitely very sketchy. Now this coin is right at the resistance. Definitely interesting at 18k. Large thread section. Let's take a look at bubble map. Another dog coins, so yeah, dog coins are going to send to Radium. And what's good when it comes to trend-based, narrative-based coins is that they actually can perform on Radium. So just random coins don't perform when they migrate, but narrative-based coins oftentimes do perform way better than just any random coin. Now this one had a first major dip. Let's take a look if this is actually following anything whatsoever here. It actually fell through this level, 0.786 to 56k. Let's keep an eye on the coin. So this one we couldn't join the Telegram. As you can see here, all those links are completely fake. So people just spam bait CTO links. And to my knowledge, this is not the right link. Actually, let's try. This might be the right link, because I could not join the other one. This is sketchy because this is a new bot right here. It's always a bit sketchy. Let's hope it doesn't ask for this. So we know this is a scam for sure. It's an example of a scam CTO link. Whenever they ask you to log in, make sure to never put in any details. And if there is a QR code too. Now this coin looks like it's dying completely. It's not really following any levels here. And once it goes below this 0.786, you know that the coin will have a very hard time recovering. So right now it really doesn't look promising. Really doesn't look too promising. Let's keep an eye on this coin, right at the resistance. Nick, how do you think is the best way to grow a token organically? I have a current promo, literally giving away free money on your Discord server, and there are 0 people interested. Well, the best way would be to have a bot working. So a bump bot, which you just feed some Solana, and it will basically buy the token and sell the token automatically, and this will actually bump the token to this bump order section right here. And you can see all the coins with either a bar sell in the front. So this would be the most beneficial and the most simple to do way. Now it looks like pump.fun is glitching right now, because it doesn't really open for me. Let's go to Dex Screener. We have Sharkcat at 200 million to my knowledge, and Shark Dog is like unique name. Let's verify this actually. I have not seen a Shark Dog coin before with that name. If it's the first one, this definitely is very promising. Yeah, definitely this one is the first one to come up with this dog version, right at the resistance level. Definitely looks interesting. Loads of volume, just 2 hours old. We'll keep an eye on Shark Dog for sure. This one looks like a scam. 5 hours old only, and 80 million market cap. This is simply too much. Yeah, it's a bit slow right now. So we have a downtrend right here. We have a downtrend. Let's see if it's following any of our levels right here. And we did have a bounce from 0.786. Not really a precise one, but oftentimes they're not really precise. So 2.5x opportunity here. And whenever you buy in from a dip level, you should take profits on the way up. So if you buy at 786, the first take profit level would be 0.5, and then the all-time high would be another one. So we're looking at Fibonacci in reverse as well. Hey Nick, tomorrow Elon will be madness. Yeah, I've checked out Elon before. Like 2 previous streams. I don't quite remember what is the coin about, so we might want to check it out again, but this one is completely dead at this point, not really attractive. There is some volume in this one, and Matt Fury is really trending, because he's the guy behind Pepe, behind Brer, Like to my knowledge, it's a cartoon series or something, like Pepe, Bread, and all of this. So Matt Fury has been really trending. He really has been trending recently. But the coin looks very, very down. Land Wolf have been showed this one quite a lot, like each and every single stream, but some members have pointed out that this coin is sketchy from the holders. It really does look bullish right here, but it's at a complete peak, unfortunately. Let's see if pump.fun is back. It's so very, very slow. Pump.fun and Dex screener, and it really ruins the flow, you know. It really ruins with the flow. So let's hope that pump.fun works now. This one right away looks quite interesting. It's this Matt Fury trend. And it has this Wosam profile picture. What I think about pre-sale of dogs, many people say it's a scam. I never heard of this pre-sale. Never heard of this pre-sale. Bubble map is clean here. The website looks quite good. I do like the aesthetic look of this website for sure. It looks very nice. Like this included right here, the eyes, the everything. It looks very nice. Different memes right here as you can see. So this might be another character from Matt Fury. Let's quickly Google this. Bork Matt Fury. Because if there is no coin about Bork, and if it's a cartoon character, I'm wondering why hasn't this been done before? Why hasn't this been done before? Looks like it's not. Let's take a look at this. So this is actually 8 days ago, some kind of tweet. I'm wondering whether this is original or not. This is very crucial. And yeah, Pop Dog completely went south. There was lots of money to be made here, of course, on pump.fun. It launched at 4K, like all the coins do. It literally went to 145K. Even Radium, this could have been 2.5x because this coin looked very bullish. But right now, it's completely dead. So we have had a bunch of Borg coins earlier here. This definitely doesn't look like the first one. So they might have just taken a profile of some other Borg coin which was made earlier. So you can see here, 11th of June, this Borg coin was made. This is just one of the examples. So this clearly isn't really original, in which case it's really likely to be a rug, because the developer put no effort whatsoever. He just copied the name, the meme, and even maybe the website. This is also possible. I will join the Telegram. They're saying it's a CTO. 120 members. 110. 20 in the voice chat. So there is some community. Relaunch time. So it was a relaunch. This coin was relaunched. Not by anything, but in shared here. CTO. So that explains it. This coin was made before, and they're just trying to relaunch the meme because they liked the meme. Interesting. I would say it's still interesting, but quite high up right now. Quite high up. Developer's last project hit Radium. Let's take a look at the developer's wallet. So he had this coin, Cat Bus, which did go to Radium, which means that the developer does have a nice track record, but does he still own? Because people say it's a CTO. And developer is still here. So he had another project which was successful. This is nice. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, so it went to 100, like 20k at most. Definitely interesting. Do your own research, guys. Borg definitely looks interesting. And it's currently king of the hill. Let's see if it actually sends to Radium. Let's see if it sends to Radium. So RNT is now pumping again. I'm wondering whether Tate actually bought the coin again, whether he tweeted about this again, because this pump looks like something like that might have happened. Something of that sort might have happened here. And the all-time high was 120 million. So this green cucumber right here actually looks very, very attractive. Like if this coin can reclaim like this resistance and flip it, this already would be a really big thing. Like we have this right here, this acted as support, and it's now right at this level. So the coin is definitely something I would be looking at for sure. RNT. This rejected from the resistance, but the meme is great here. Shark Dog. And no one has made this meme before, which is really surprising to me. I would have thought that if there is such a big coin Shark Cat, that someone will come up with Shark Dog. Like earlier. And Shark Cat is actually a pump.fun launch. And this is what's crazy about the coin. Like I can't find it right now. Actually, yeah, I can. 2 months ago at 40 million, it was actually a pump.fun launch. A pump.fun launch. It was one of the first coins to actually launch on pump.fun. If we sort this by market cap, we should see this. As you can see here, Sharkcat. Micha as well. So loads of coins were made on pump.fun, which are still very, very popular. They're still very popular. All-time high is 300, actually 400 million. This is very, very crazy. This looks like this might send to Radium straight away, because the chart looks very bullish here, and the meme aspect is here. This just sent to Radium, so let's wait for this to actually migrate. This could be interesting for sure. Could be very interesting. Let's open some new coins. You guys can show some coins in the live chat. If you are new, subscribe with notifications, check out the free Discord and free Telegram codes channel, because I'm dropping codes there every now and then, and they have been hitting, like we have a very good track record. So this right away is an interesting meme. Barking Luther King. So it's a famous name, and there is the dog meta attached to it. This is very nice. Just from the meme. Very simple website. Very small thread section. Unfortunately, there is a buy bot working or people. Let's join the group. Let's check out how big is the community. So 12 people in the voice chat, but 34 in the group. This is very small. But 12k market cap. 12k market cap, so it has time to catch up for sure. The play is we'll just keep an eye on the coin. This does have potential, that's all we need to know. We'll come back to it later. Has this gone to radium yet? And it has, perfect. Perfect. There is some volume, there is loads of volume. Usually great coins have 50k in volume, more or less once they migrate from pump.fun to radium. And of course, 15 to 20k in volume would be like a bearish coin, which does not really want to send. This so far looks great. It's going sideways, but it hasn't dumped yet even. So looks actually very bullish. Looks very good. This is a slow mooner, has been here for days. So there is some kind of meme behind this. Just a YouTube video, but we want to find the Telegram too. Bubble map looks good. Telegram link so that it doesn't get lost. Perfect. Let's try and join. Slow movers are always promising. It does not really matter what is the meme. If it's a slow mooner, what matters is the community. Should we buy it? Which one? Because we're looking at a bunch of coins. I'm not quite sure which one you refer to. But you should always make your own decisions. So do your own research about the coins. But whenever I finish checking the coins, I always provide a conclusion. So if a coin isn't really interesting, I just close the coin. I say looks bearish or something. But if the coin looks good, I just always say that it passes the checks. It looks bullish. Most likely it's going to go up, but still always do your own research. So we usually have a conclusion for every coin. 56 members. There is a community. No voice chat though, because it's a slow mooner. So yeah, just do your own research. There's a slow mooner. Very hard to analyze it because the community isn't big. They are not really active. And the meme is kind of random. But yeah, close the coin. Borg. Should you buy Borg? Someone asks from the live chat. And would I buy it is a question. At 32k, I would not really buy any type of coin. It's just too high up in the market cap. I would buy coins at most when they are at 20k dollars in market cap. So let's take a look at this one right here, Pookie, which also went to Radium from pump.fun just 5 minutes ago. And the volume looks very abundant here. 140k in volume. This is something very extraordinary for sure. And the chart looks very bullish, as you can see here. Literally no dips whatsoever. Pookie really looks strong. Looks very strong. This one is a new one, I haven't seen this one before. Do you ever use call groups? Actually, not really. I have my own call group, but I'm looking for some. I'm always looking for a place myself. I don't really look into call groups because, like, I know what I want to look for. I know how to find great coins, and it usually just takes me like 15 minutes or even 30 minutes off camera. I just screen every deck square coin, just quickly go over the coins which I find attractive, which match my strategy, like my style of trading, and pump fun as well. But pump fun, I'm not really trading at the moment off camera. I'm just sticking with radium coins because in this dry market, you got to be safe. And pump fun is more based off feeling. There is no TA to be made here. Sometimes support and resistance levels, but coins have very little structure. So you're kind of betting here on a probability whether it's going to go up or down. So radium coins, dex coins I like way more because I can actually draw with my toes here and make a way more educated decision. So yeah, just trying to learn how to find nice 3 to 5 pumps. Well, the first suggestion would be don't look for 3 to 5x because 3 to 5x you can't find consistently. What you can do is find 2x's consistently, and anything more than 2x's in a dry market is very hard to find. So any coin can do a 2x really. It just has to be a full package. So good socials, by the way, I can't really open any coins. Pump fun is glitching again. So good socials, good bubble map, good distribution, good community. Has to be the full package. Good chart, good market cap, good volume. So if you can find a coin which just has as many bullish signs as possible, then they can definitely perform for you. When it comes to radium coins, it doesn't really matter what is the coin about. Like what matters here is the structure of the chart. This is the most important when it comes to radium coins. Is there a premium group where you teach how to do it exactly? We actually do have a premium subscription right here, which is basically the premium Discord, where I drop like more or less 3 calls a day. It depends on the market, but I drop calls here literally every single day. It also comes with a pump fun course, like 2 hours worth of content. It covers literally everything about pump.fun, and of course about education too. So we don't do this yet, but I'm going to do members only calls very soon once we actually have more members. So this is about making your money back, of course. This is the main objective, to make the subscription price back, but of course to learn. And if you're interested, the first link in the description is where you can learn more about this opportunity. Let me refresh this coin, this right at the resistance level. But yeah, pump fun doesn't really work right now. So we might want to go to Dex Screener again. You can ask any questions that you want, guys, in the free Discord. Someone was just asking that, where can you learn more? So in the free Discord, I'm active literally all day. It's completely free, you guys can ask any questions that you want. And you guys can of course learn from other members too. We have loads of good people there, like Warney for example, who is a really big expert. Let me actually pull out the Discord. And this is the best place to learn. So under text channels, you will see this place technical analysis. And there are lots of people like Warney, our best like guy here, who is very good at trading, like way better than me, full transparency. And he's trading with people here literally all day. Like he's here, actually not all day, what I meant to say is every single day. He's here like every single day, teaching people for completely free. So I'm actually really grateful to have Warney here. So this would be the best place to learn. And of course, actually, whenever you join, you will actually now open the ticket right here automatically. So whenever you join the Discord, you'll basically see on the top right here your name, and I'm right here in the ticket section. It's just a private chat within the Discord. I just got this done before this live stream actually, and you guys can ask any questions here. So instantly whenever you join the Discord, you have this thing open right here on the top left, and I'll be here in the private chat. You can ask any questions that you want here. So those two guys just joined, Lizzie Way and Top Shark. So I'm in the chat with them right here. So that's how you can ask any questions that you want. And this is new. So this was just done before this live stream. So existing members shouldn't have this, but I'll make sure to figure something out. But yeah, for now guys, we'll actually end the live stream, because full transparency, like for some reason, sometimes I have those days where I just have no flow, it's just that pump.fun is just a little bit dry, the extra coins too, and it kind of ruins with the flow, especially when pump.fun lags. So I'll end this live stream earlier, and I wish you guys a magnificent prosperous day. Stay fun guys, stay prosperous, and I'll be back tomorrow. So if you're new, subscribe to notifications, and come back tomorrow guys.